Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi has ATM access and fee reimbursements. SoFi provides its members with ATM access through a large network. SoFi has partnered with the Allpoint network, which gives you access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs located worldwide. These ATMs are often found in popular retail locations like CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and Target. SoFi's policy on ATM fees has changed over time. For SoFi checking and savings accounts, SoFi does not reimburse fees charged by out-of-network ATMs. However, if you are a SoFi Money member who opened your account before June 9, 2020, your account may still be eligible for third-party ATM fee reimbursements under the old policy. For all members, using an ATM within the Allpoint network is always fee-free. To find a fee-free ATM near you, you can use the ATM locator in the SoFi app. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.